Hi, this is Juan Llanos from Dubai. It's September 2019. I travel around the world a lot, and I thought it might be interesting to some to hear my perspectives in terms of what's going on with these jurisdictions and how the technology and regulation regimes are evolving around the world. I first visited the United Arab Emirates in November of 2013. I came to Abu Dhabi to give what must have been one of the first ever Bitcoin and digital currencies talks in the MENA region. The event, an international financial crime conference, was attended by anti-crime regulators and compliance officers from the region's countries. Back then, the primary preoccupation was a rampant growth in all money laundering typologies, especially the still prevalent heavy use of cash for big-ticket items such as condos, boats, and Lamborghinis. A few months later, in April of 2014, I was invited to give several presentations specifically on Bitcoin. Here I am on a panel with Bruce Fenton at the Capital Club in the Dubai International Financial Center, one of the various free zones in the country. I didn't return to the region until I joined Consensus in March of 17. Consensus had been appointed blockchain advisor to Dubai at the end of 16, and my first assignment was to help build a Dubai office and develop the market for a KYC utility to remove onboarding friction and dramatically reduce customer due diligence costs. Here's a quick summary of what I learned over the last week of September 2019. Generally speaking, the UAE economy seems to be in a slump relative to the more prosperous 2015 to 18 period. The country, and especially the Emirate of Dubai, are still dealing with the aftermath of the Abraj debacle, the biggest collapse in private equity history, which is now forcing all companies to revamp their governance in an attempt to regain credibility. As far as crypto is concerned, though Dubai set out to be a blockchain pioneer, there seems to be a generalized belief locally that the lofty goal of being fully powered by blockchain by 2020 will not be achieved. Instead, the focus seems to have diverted to other trends and technologies, and even the broader theme of the fourth industrial revolution. Another important financial free zone, however, located in the neighboring Emirate of Abu Dhabi, just launched what is touted as a robust crypto asset regulatory framework, the first in the region. Interestingly, like the frameworks of other innovative jurisdictions, the focus is not on product, that is, whether a crypto asset is a security or a commodity or money, as is the case in the US, but on function and activity. The new regime covers payments, custody, and fundraising. Several exchanges and businesses from the region and beyond have already applied for licenses, including pioneer Bitcoin exchange BitOasis. This, however, is a licensing regime created by a Freezone, designed to offer Western-style legal protections to businesses. The federal UAE government remains distant and skeptical towards crypto, which has given the central bank of a small island country, Bahrain, a window of opportunity. Its central bank is offering crypto businesses the first central bank-sponsored licenses. So this is the summary of what I have had the opportunity to observe on this trip. This jurisdiction is going to continue to push hard on innovation. They have real incentives to innovate, to replace their staples and their industries, and they're constantly looking for opportunities, attracting talent. Let's see who wins the race, the crypto race in the Middle East.